Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to refund GoDaddy domain. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's crucial to confirm your eligibility for a refund by reviewing GoDaddy's refund policy. This step is important because GoDaddy has specific conditions and timeframes in which refunds can be requested. Usually, domains are eligible for a refund only within a stipulated time after the purchase. Once you're clear on the refund policy and have confirmed that you're eligible, the next step is to delete the domain from your account. Although it might seem counterintuitive to delete the domain before securing the refund, GoDaddy requires this as part of their process. You can do this by logging into your GoDaddy account, visiting your domain management section, and choosing the domain you wish to delete. After deleting the domain, the final step in this process is reaching out to GoDaddy Guides to formally request your refund. The GoDaddy Guides are their customer support team, and they are there to assist with such inquiries. It can often be helpful to prepare any relevant details, such as your account information or purchase confirmation, to streamline the conversation. And that's it. So that is how you can refund GoDaddy domain. So that's all for this video. Thanks.